Hello and welcome to DataCAD tutorials. In this section of tutorials, we'll be learning how to insert dimension in drawings. Let's begin by opening an architectural flat plan. Go into File Manager, click on Open and select your file. Let's now start giving the required settings for dimensions. Go to your Layer Manager and turn on Dimension Layer. Go to Utility on your left hand side and toggle on Dimensions. Here you will see four types of dimensioning system: linear, angular, diameter and radius. Let's learn standard linear dimensions. Click on linear. You'll come across variants of dimensions such as horizontal, which will help you to give horizontal dimensions, vertical for vertical dimensions, align for inclined dimensions, rotated. Make sure your associative is turned on. There is also a feature for auto dimensioning. DataCAD also allows you to save different dimensioning styles. Click on it. You can save a style or load a style. You can set your dimension text in this option. There are different elaborated settings for text styles. You can give a font, change color of the text, give sizes of the text, and so on. Click on Bin Style to set required settings of dimension lines. Here you can give offsets, overlap, increment, overrun between two lines. Let's go to Arrow Style to check the settings. Make sure tick marks are turned on. You can even change color of tick marks by selecting color. Similarly, there are other settings as well. You can even explore your dimension and edit it. Let's now start inserting horizontal dimensions. Click on first point of distance, then click on second point. Here you will see that dimension is getting placed only at a fixed distance. To make it flexible, go to Dim Style and turn Fixed Increment off. Now you can easily place dimension at any distance. Just click and your dimension is placed. Go to other lines and start giving horizontal dimensions. Click on first point, tap on second point and place your dimension line. Now let's give vertical dimension. Click on vertical, move cursor to the first point, then to the second point and click to place the dimension line. There is even an option to select each entity and place dimension. Just select on the line and place your dimensions. You can again switch back to horizontal dims if you need. Click on the first point, the second point and place your dimension. Let's now give align dimensions. In this option, you can give horizontal as well as vertical dimension, and also you can give dimensions of any inclined entity. Click on first point, the inclined point and place your dimensions. This is how an inclined dimension is placed. Likewise, your internal drafting is completed. We will even give some external dimensions. Click on horizontal and start giving horizontal dimensions. If you want to give continuous dimensions, click on string line and then click on adjacent points. If you want to give overall dimension of a string line, click on overall. Let's now even give vertical dimensions. Click on first point, the second point, click on string line and click on the adjacent points. Right click, go to overall and give overall dimension of a string line. If you want to give cumulative horizontal dimensions, turn horizontal on and give one horizontal dimension. Click on baseline and start clicking the adjacent points. This is how cumulative dimensions can be given. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you.